The postman. A postman is a very important person in our society. He delivers letters, parcels, and important documents to people's homes and offices. Before the age of mobile phones and the internet, the postman was the main way for people to send and receive messages. The postman starts his work early in the morning. He collects letters and packages from the post office and then travels to different areas to deliver them. He walks or rides a bicycle or sometimes uses a motorbike or a small vehicle to reach people's houses. A postman must know all the streets and houses in his area very well. He carries a bag full of letters and parcels. When he delivers a letter, he often greets people politely and sometimes helps elderly or sick people by taking their letters to the post office. The job of a postman is not easy. He has to work in all kinds of weather, hot sun, rain, or cold. He also needs to be honest because he handles private letters and valuable parcels. People trust the postman to deliver their messages safely and on time. Even today, the postman plays an important role in connecting people, especially in villages and small towns where internet and phone services are limited. During festivals, postmen deliver greeting cards that bring joy to families. I respect the hard work of postmen. They help keep us connected with our friends and relatives, near or far. We should always be polite and thankful to them.